สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you Karon Beach area. Now I am at the north of Karon Beach and the beach is very empty. From what I can see, there are around 10 people including me on the beach right now. Look at that. It's a bit cloudy today though, but the water is still pretty calm. You will love it to be here right now. Clear. Anh nên play lấy á bên bên này. Plaทรายปลาทรายปลาทรายปลาทรายปลาทรายท้องใสมากปลาทราย This is very fresh ปลามงกดปลามงI know that Karon Beach is one of your favorite beach in Phuket. So I will show you around at like Karon Center and around this area. So you see how much it's changed or how it look like now. Let's go. And here is the lagoon at Karon Beach. I think you remember it, right? The one in the north of Karon. Which is normally when we have Loi Krathong Day, we will do celebrating Loi Krathong in this lagoon. And this area is quite new. So it looks pretty clean. Some local restaurants over there, but mostly are closed for now.
Please stay safe by taking some simple precautions. 1. Wear a mask. If one doesn't wear a mask, he or she will be fined at the rate of not more than 20,000 baht. 2. Practice social distancing. 3. Regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rub. 4. Please avoid public or indoor gatherings. We appreciate for your cooperation.
And I am here in the middle of Karon beach. There is no one on the beach and it's very big cloud behind me. I think it's gonna be big rain very soon. Actually, I can feel it's raining now. Oh. Oh wow. I think it's going to be a very big rain very soon. I need to run to some shade or maybe restaurant. So yep, it's raining. Pretty big rain now. I couldn't make it to the restaurant, so I need to stop on the roadside. Alright, the rain is stopped now. I'm gonna go for more at the Karon Orchid. One of my subscribers has a shop over there, so I'm gonna walking around there to show him how to shop now. Oh, so here is the Phuket Orchid Resort. Phuket Orchid Resort is closed. And all the shops around here also closed. What I can see now, all the shops here are closed. Even the pharmacy. Close. Yep, I think it's time for me to go home. It's still pretty dark and I think it's gonna be rain again soon. Stay safe and see you soon. Bye.